Hi everyone, my name is Jessica Lambert and I currently live in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. My current position is as the Special Programs Manager for Big Brothers Big Sisters of the Capital Region, and I absolutely love it. I'm able to create and facilitate programs for youth while involving a mentor in their life. I am in charge of our two major programs called Beyond School Walls and Bigs in Blue. For Beyond School Walls, we take a core group of 20 students from school twice a month into a business setting. In our case, it's Capital Blue Cross, and we discuss college and career readiness. They are now 11th graders and have been in the program since 8th grade, so it's really awesome getting to see them evolve and grow as people. Bigs in Blue involves matching officers with students in the districts that they serve. This program not only provides these children with a consistent mentor that they might not otherwise have, but also promotes positivity among youth and law enforcement while simultaneously breaking the stigma that law enforcement face with young people. We are serving over 95 students with our Bigs in Blue program, and we just keep growing. We currently have 13 police departments, and including the Pennsylvania State Police that are involved. And we are the second largest Bigs in Blue program among all Big Brothers Big Sisters in the country. My favorite part of all of the classes that I've taken already has been the older adult interview and presentation that we did in our 501 class. I interviewed my aunt, and it was really informative. I learned a lot, not just about her, but about social work, and I was able to evaluate from an objective and subjective standpoint. I am most interested in the policy brief because I'm excited to research ways to help solve or mitigate certain social issues that are relevant and detrimental to everyday lives. Thanks for listening. I'm really excited to get to know all of you and to start this class. Thanks. Bye.